morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Javier?
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.4% in the last two sessions. The ROC has moved sharply into the positive area. Bitcoin has lost 3.7% in the last session. The CCI transitioned sharply into the negative zone. The price of gold has fallen 1.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has slightly diminished into the neutral zone. The price of crude oil has fallen 5.7% in the last session. The RSI moved sharply into negative territory.
Thank you, Javier, for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
German shares suffered their weakest day since early June as the government agreed on an emergency lockdown to combat surging COVID-19 cases. Medici Ventures, a subsidiary of Overstock, announced today an $8 million equity purchase in the Barbados-based digital currency startup BIT. The dollar rose against the euro on prospects of a national coronavirus lockdown in France, with implied volatility gauges in the common currency and the yen hitting multi-month highs.
Thank you, Javier. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Japanese construction orders will be released at 300 GMT, the German GDP at 500 GMT, the German retail sales at 500 GMT, the Swiss retail sales at 530 GMT, the Eurozone CPI at 800 GMT, and the Eurozone's unemployment rate at 800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.